So yeah, please tell me if I'm just gonna use the Filipiniana in the oath taking. Or I'm gonna buy a bolero type black bolero because I have a black dress and I wanna use black or yeah I wanna use a black something black bolero or like I found something on TikTok, I think TikTok or Shopee, whatever, the one, it's like a blouse but crop blouse. I like it. So should I just use it or just buy another one?